Hello, welcome back to another episode of Good Eats. I'm John slash Ayokanan, and my sister Karen,
Hello.
and we are to make for you today the kugal. Kugal is actually a Yiddish word that's often translated as pudding, and is favored with the Ashkenazi Jewish food and the Jewish people. It's often enjoyed on a upright night for Shabbat and part of the main course of a Shabbat dinner. So, first of all, we start. We'll, we'll start with with the eggs. 4 eggs. And after that, we will use 2 teaspoons of salt. And finally, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then we get all that mixed up. And mix it well. Then you add oil. Uh, 3/4 cup oil. Then mix in the oil with that. You'll find that this recipe is fairly easy, and it's really good. Okay, now you can use this in a food processor or even a blender. But what we're doing, we're going to be grating it. And as soon as it's mixed in, we'll be starting to grate the onions and the potatoes. And you start grating the onion.
Which is kind of messy.
And now when that's done, you start to grate the potatoes. Okay, and we can grate the last one here. glass potato. So we put in 10 potatoes in with 1 large onion. And once that's grated, you will combine the mixture of spice, of the salt, pepper, and egg, and oil in with the potatoes and onions. And you mix good.
Okay, let me put this in.
And you mix good.
Okay.
Now, you find a pan, make sure it's greased up. All sides and everything. And ready to pour it in. And you set the temperature at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for 75 minutes. And we'll see what it looks like. It's an hour and 15 minutes. Oil spray. We're back on.
I don't have any spray, the spray on oil. So I just did a little dab. Put it in the oven. Alrighty, that's it.
Okay, now it's been 75 minutes. And we should be totally done.
It's really good.
Smells real good too.
And we're cheating with some gefilte fish.
Gefilte fish.
But
Yep.
this is the kind where it's warm, put it in a pan and then we warmed it up.
Yeah, you could, fresh and frozen is better. But however,
We didn't have any.
the market that I usually go to had to shut down, so we had no choice but to go for the jar, which it's okay. It's not too bad.
I'm gonna cut a nice piece here.
Okay, that's how we do that.
Best way is to let it cool, but
Yeah, let it cool down. Then you can cut into it. That way it'll stay together and not fall apart on you. We'll warm up the gefilte fish a little bit. Plate it. And there we are.
that's it.
The kugal with gefilte fish. Okay, well, that's it. Y'all have a good day, and remember to subscribe and like and share. Thank you, and everyone have a good day.